Hi everyone. Firstly, I welcome you all in my Akka class channel. Today I am writing on the topic of 10 oils name. Let us see and learn oils name today. First one is coconut oil. Second one is almond oil. Third one is groundnut oil. Fourth one, castor oil. Fifth one, sunflower oil. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Sixth one, olive oil. Seventh one, palm oil. Eighth one, flaxseed oil. Ninth one, corn oil. Tenth one, avocado oil. Thank you for watching video and keep supporting me.